Welcome back, students. Now we will see a force can change the state of motion. Means force can change the movement of an object. If an object is at a rest of peace, or you can say stationary, standing, there is no movement in that particular object. So force, if you applied on that object will come in motion. So a force can change the state of motion. Steady object will start moving. So we will not see the activity. Let's see. Take a rubber ball and place it on a level surface such as a tabletop or a corner concrete floor. Now gently push the ball along the level surface. Does the ball begin to move? Push the ball again while it is still moving. Is there any change in its speed? Does it increase or decrease? This activity you can do at home. Okay. If a ball is in steady position, if you just kick it, it start moving. In the same direction, if you are again kicking, it start moving with a greater speed. Means its speed will increase because you are applying force in the same direction of movement. Next, place your palm in front of the moving ball. Remove your palm as soon as the moving ball touches it. Does your palm apply a force on the ball? What happened to the speed of the ball now? Obviously, the speed of ball will stop. That ball will strike to your hand and it will stop. Does it increase or decrease? Obviously, it will stop. What would happen if you let your palm hold the moving ball? So, it will not move. So, you might recall similar situation. For example, while taking a penalty kick in football, the player applies a force on the ball. Before being hit, the ball was at the rest. Means it has zero speed. The applied force makes the ball move towards the goal. Suppose the goalkeeper dives or jumps up to save the goal. By this action, the goalkeeper tries to apply a force on the moving ball. And the force applied by him can stop or deflect the ball. Stop, either it will stop, ball stops, or it will change its direction. And this way, goalkeeper save the goal. This observation suggests that the force applied on an object may change its speed. If the force applied on the object is in the direction of its motion, the speed of the object increases. If the force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of motion, then it results in the decrease in the speed of the object. So this is how the force can change the state of motion. It can give the motion to the steady object. Force can stop the moving object. Force can change the direction of the moving object. Force can speed up the motion of object. Force can stop or decrease the movement of the objects. So this is all about a force can change the state of motion. If you observe the one diagram, to move a tire faster, it has to be pushed repeatedly. Repeatedly, you have to just give a pushing force so that the speed of the tire will increase continuously. If you stop, the speed of the tire will also stop. Again, you have to repeatedly give the push. So, Paheli is curious to know whether application of a force can only change the speed of an object, or there are something more for this about the force. What else can the force do? So that we will see in the next video. Thank you.